Hey, boo, hey, welcome. It is Coach Jineen. Guess what today is? It's July 22nd. And guess what? I Choose Me Bootcamp. My current cohort graduates today. So we're going to say, celebrate your wins. Celebrate your wins. I'm so proud of them. It was a 90-day coaching experience where they got to have blooming. And what that means for them is they had confidence that was built. They learned how to beat burnout, and they got a personalized roadmap so they never lose themselves again. It is based off of my top selling book that I'm so proud of. We have sold hundreds of copies of I Choose Me, the Intentional Guide to Never Losing Yourself Again. This was a 2-level program where level 1, it was just group coaching. And then level 2, I had clients in that experience where they got to work one-on-one with me and they were getting wins right away. They also had access to the Bloom portal, which is pretty much the course where you get to have all the trainings, and then you met with me and had coaching. So I am so grateful to say that they did it. You hear me? And so because I Choose Me Bootcamp pretty much was birthed last year, this is my word of refinement, and everybody knows I document in real time. So I want to celebrate this win saying, yay. I'm getting ready to jump on another call, but I wanted to make sure that I went on and made this video real time so I can congratulate them and also put it in the portal for them to see that I am celebrating you, and you should be celebrating yourself. You hear me? And so recently what we have been doing on the podcast, you've been seeing me talk about the permission to pause. I've been doing a lot of speaking. If you guys didn't know, I am award-winning CRNA, which is a nurse anesthesiologist. And last year I got rated top nurse in my state. But I've been doing a lot of nurse resilience training. And I've been doing trainings where I'm going back and I'm helping people on how to have resilience, right? How we have harmony. And one thing I want you to really think about when it comes to harmony is it's different than balance. Harmony is like your wheel of life, the 8 pillars. There's all aspects of your life of being you. I beat burnout twice, almost had a stroke, lost a child, and had a bunch of health complications. And look at me now, over 40, still pushing, but doing it in harmony. So I'm my first testimony, but I can say we've been able to help thousands of women. Now I can say even put a little stank on it globally. So just make sure you check out. So what things can you get involved in with? You should join our email list. You get Mindset Monday emails from me. You get a free burnout gift, plus you get the positive, sexy self-talk. Because you know it's nothing like that. If you don't talk to yourself like someone you love, what Brene Brown said, if you don't talk to someone like somebody you love, then you in the wrong. You need to talk to yourself sexy. Okay, and it's nothing like it. So you get the checklist, you get the weekly emails, you get the burnout gift, and you get some other access points to me with the Bloom Telegram community, where you get to you'll see on my YouTube channel that I've been doing the Bloom series Q&A, and it comes from all my clients that are within that Bloom Telegram group because you got questions. And so therefore I've been going ahead and creating a series just for you. So if those are some things you're wanting to do, go to intentionalqueenjourney.com and join us today. And if you're ready for some coaching and you want to choose the I Choose Me Bootcamp, what it was birthed off, because I got to pick the book back up so you see it. If you want to be a part of this experience, we now have the waiting list ready for the next cohort. So I would love for you to join me, but it's an application only because I only want people who are resourceful, who are coachable, and who are ready to do the work, because it's work, honey, and vulnerability is messy. So if this is something you really want to do, book a free breakthrough call with me at coachjaneen.com, and you will be able to apply. I will sit and talk with you and see if this is a good fit, because the goal is I want to see you win, right? So what is your word for the year for 2025? Mine is refinement. So anything you start seeing around me is going to be refinement, and last year was expansion. So I'm just so grateful. I'm so proud of this cohort, and I'm ready for the next one. So if this wants to be you, you can book your free call and go ahead and meet with me at coachjaneen.com, or you go ahead and you join our list at intentionalqueenjourney.com, because I want to see you in there winning. Okay, so this is all I wanted to say to you today. I want you to think about, celebrate your little wins. You hear me? And I will see you guys on the flip side. This is Coach Jineen signing out.